Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So, if you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. Let's get right into it. So, first, we are making chicken parm bites. It's 4 ingredient and it's so easy. So first, you bake your organic chicken nuggets in the oven at 375 for 30 minutes. You can pan fry them, you can air fry them, anything. I just like to put them in the oven. And then you warm up your Rayo's best in class marinara, and then you just do a little dollop on each one of them, just to cover. And it's perfect. There we go. Perfect. There we go. Perfect. And voila. There we go. And now we have our fresh mozzarella balls, and you cut them in half, and then you just put one in there. Perfect. And then you just put one, and there we go, and one more. Boom. Perfect. Now transfer them over to here and put them in the oven. And you have to put them in the oven until the cheese melts, and then once you take them out of the oven, put some of your fresh basil on them, and they look perfect. And now I already have some ready, guys, and they look awesome. They look so awesome. And yeah, so I'm gonna try one. And I'll have this guy. So good. The cheese. Oh my God, guys, that is perfect. That's great for an appetizer. Great. You will impress your friends with this. 4 ingredient, the best. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more of my videos. See you guys. Bye.